This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So before knowing that, I am not here to teach from first day only. Okay, big programs or anything. We'll discuss few things here. So the agenda, the aim of learning in Java, to learn the aim of, like here, aim of learning Java. What is that aim of learning Java? To learn or expert in automation tool from QA perspective, right? So the yeah, I have done automation in Java Selenium, but still they are not able to sustain in the company. They are not able to get selected in the interview. What is the reason? Can you tell me? What is the reason? Sorry. Anyone can tell me? What is the reason? Guys?
Sir, can you please repeat?
No, my question is, like most of the people nowadays, Java Selenium knows everyone, correct? And it's
Yes.
very much famous, but
Yes.
still they are not able to sustain in the automation team. And or if everyone knows, then why they are not getting selected in the interview?
Coding part is difficult.
Coding part. Okay. Anyone idea? You know, coding will come one of the questions at least they will ask from coding. They may ask, they may not ask. But you know, oops concept is very much common. That must be known to everyone. Based on oops concept only, we are designing or developing the framework. Based on oops only. Based on oops concept only. Based on oops concept only, we are designing based on oops concept only, we are designing framework development. That is called framework development. So they will ask, do you know, have you developed the framework from scratch? Have you developed the framework from scratch? They will ask you. So what answer you say? Can you develop a framework, automation framework from scratch? And they will ask you, okay, tell me the skeleton or architecture. How can you develop? So tell me, anyone having answer, how can we develop a framework from scratch? Not even Java Selenium, Cucumber BDD, or JavaScript Cypress or Playwright. On what basis you will develop a framework in automation? Because they will not simply ask, okay, tell me how to handle drop down, tell me how to handle tables. Nowadays, this era gone. Okay, can you tell me? So the problem
Page
here,
object model.
page object. Okay, page. This is one of the part of the framework. one of the part of the framework. Okay, so even page object model also you design. How can you design if you do not know class, interface, abstract, inheritance, constructor, this keyword, super keyword, modifiers, use of the modifiers, a static instance, then how can you develop a framework? Right? I'll show you one thing here. Let's say I'm working one of the organization and now here I am using Playwright with Java. See here. Now currently, before that it was Cypress. So see here, the architecture or framework. Just see here. Let it open. Because first you all should be knowing the basics here. Now this is Playwright Java Cucumber BTT. Now if we go to the code, just let it load. It's loading. Now this is my framework, right? This is my framework. If you expand this source test, then we do have a base class, we have a config class, we have a feature file class, we have a input page object, we have page, we have steps, we have. So here you go to any class, just go to any class. Now you see here we have developed a method. Now click here, just see here. Now see, this is complete Java. Here you can see this. This is complete. The logics. Even I will show you the pure Java class. Wait, utility file. Let me open my utility file. Here at least Playwright you can see, but here see either I am purging test data or whatever. You go database also I am using. See here. See here all complete Java. Can you see that? Yeah. Here also you can see this is complete Java, right? So what do you think? Here they have used big coding programs or anything? No. Here we should be knowing how we can use Java and how can we write this code if we know the OOPS concept. If we have a knowledge of argumented methods, returning methods, right? Then we can use all this. Correct? Let's say if I want to generate a random email, right? Random email. So see here, this is pure Java. What is this? Have we used very big coding program, write a Java program to separate zero from non-zero like that? No. Here all OOPS concept has worked. Your OOPS concept has worked, right? So this is the importance of Java. This is the importance of Java. If we are able to create a method or any functionality, if and only if we are very good in OOPS concept. That is the reason I told you, right? So let me just, yeah. So guys, now go to the next point. So what are the OOPS concept? What are the OOPS concept? You main OOPS concept you will see in the where like four they have defined. Let's say encapsulation, inheritance, right? Then polymorphism, and then abstraction, right? So generally this, but in this four terminology only, each and everything is coming. All of concepts are lying in these topics. Okay, like class, object, constructor, this keyword, methods, right? Inheritance, super keyword, correct. Oh, method overriding, overloading, packages, access modifiers, abstract and interfaces. So these all belongs to the subconcept. After that, you take time for arrays, collection. It will become very easy. One day job. That's it. But these are the backbone to develop any framework in Java, right? And Java plus Selenium from beginning, still it is evergreen. It was and still it is evergreen. Why? What is the reason? Why it's very much important? Combination of Java plus Selenium. Why? Why it became more popular? More popular. Why more popular? Can anyone answer me?
Security Java is much better than any other language. So that's why in fintech sector or in banking domain, so mostly we use Java. And at the same time, Selenium is also open source tool and which is already updated and have a very huge community around the world.
Hmm.
So based on the availability and based on the security levels, so that's why Java plus Selenium is the best combination.
Why Python is not having security?
No, no, no. As whatever I have read based on the theories,
Uh-huh.
so based on that, I am telling.
I am agreed on your point that yes, correct. Both are open source. Java is also open source. Selenium is also open source. It is having very big community. Yes, I am agreed. No problem. Free, free plus free. It's completely business, right? But in this world, if anything is free, that doesn't mean it's very much worthful, right? Sometimes free things, like let's say today you started free Java course, tomorrow you may give or may not give the importance of this class because it's not chargeable. And something amount, if you have paid, just I'm telling the examples, the psychology of the human being. If you have paid some amount, and if you will miss some class, guys, can you please mute yourself? Can you please mute yourself? Background noises are coming. Please, please, please. So, question is, when you will leave some class or if you will not attend some class, then you will have regret. Okay, I have paid, I have wasted my time and money both. But if you have not paid that time, you will not have any regret. Same way, Java is also free, Selenium is also free. It doesn't mean that free means okay, we can get more business. Free means it should give some contribution to the world, to the software industry, to the project. In that perspective, open source is important, right? So the here the question is why Java plus Selenium became more popular. Yes, who has told open source or security? I am agreed with him. That may be one of the point, right? Good. Thank you for that saying that. But Java and Selenium became more popular because the API developed in Selenium automation tool. API means classes, methods. Whatever they have developed in Selenium is very much compatible with Java API. That's why binding of Java with Selenium is very much strong and easy compatible. So that's why it became more popular. Okay, binding of Java API plus Selenium API is very much compatible. Very much compatible. Spelling of the correct letter. Very much compatible. API means what? Classes, collection of classes, methods, interfaces. These all are APIs, right? Let's say in Selenium you have a click method, or Selenium you have a fetching text from the UI, get text. So the method is developed in a structure in a such a way that in Java also, if you want to do something, they are having a common phenomena. The API, the pattern they are following, the pattern Selenium is following, it's very much easy. So that's why binding of API of Java and Selenium both matches together. Like you can say they are very much user friendly, eco friendly. You can say that's why the Java plus Selenium become very much popular. Still, it is evergreen, right? That's why. And if you know Java, if we know Java, Java means it is having two parts: core Java plus advanced Java. Then very good, because in interview also you go, they will ask 80% of the question from Java. Whether you are going for rest assured API automation or Selenium, they will ask 75 to 80% of the questions from Java. They will not ask more question on Selenium, because if you know core Java, so in this, what is very much important from automation point of view? Only core Java. We have to learn only core Java. If you want to become a developer, then you have to follow both core Java plus advanced Java. But from QA perspective, to design or develop a framework, core Java is more than enough to design or develop a framework. So only core Java is enough to design or develop a framework, right? To develop a framework. So we will only learn core Java. If you know core Java, now question is, if we know core Java, then what all tools we can cover? See here, core Java plus Selenium plus REST assured API automation, right? You can say one more tool you can learn by yourself, Karate. It's also very good tool, right? Even performance tool Jmeter also you can learn. Like that, even SOAP UI also you can run. Like Groovy is a child of Java only. You can Groovy also you can learn. SOAP UI also you can learn. Right. So at least these many automation tools you can cover in one shot, because if you know Java. See these tools, it will take hardly 10 to 12 days to learn these tools. Selenium 10 to 12 days, rest assured 10 to 12 days. Because here already they have developed classes and methods, interfaces, static functions. They have developed, only you should know how to use them. That's it. How to use them, if you know these things, core Java concept, then it's very much easy. Very much easy. Now you go for the interview, you will feel very much confident. They will not simply directly ask, okay, write a Java program to find the duplicate characters from a string. No, they will not ask directly this program. They will ask, okay, first tell me your framework architecture. Okay, tell me what is the difference between abstract and interface. Then they will ask, okay, can you give me some example where you have used this concept in your framework? Okay, how you have initiated your driver. You know, in Selenium, what is WebDriver? Everyone used WebDriver, everyone. But do you know what is WebDriver? They will ask you this question, they must ask you, because they want to check not Selenium. See, WebDriver is a Selenium tool which will help you to develop a framework on different browser. You can automate remotely, you can automate whatever automation, it will help you. But they will ask simple forward question. hear me or not? Hello, guys.
Sir, is it
Okay,
only
I'm little faster.
your
Okay.
you're a bit
Are you
faster as
able
well
to
as
hear me? Am I audible?
no, your voice is getting disconnected. Is it only me or is it everyone feeling it?
Yeah, even I'm also facing the same issue. So your
Yes.
voice is like
So,
breaking and it's going too fast.
You are, yeah, you are not on mute. Okay, anyone, can you all hear me? Am I audible clearly? Guys, yes.
Sir, you're little
No, I am not
faster,
audible.
sir.
Okay. Now, am I audible? Tell me fast. You should tell in the chat at
no.
least you. Fine.
And then you are audible,
You
but your
are
voice is
audible,
cracking.
but
Some
not
issue with
clear.
me.
Sir, voice breaking. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, that's okay. Now, am I audible clearly?
Yes, it is very clear now. Yes.
Yes. So at least whatever I have written, is it clear for you?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
What is importance of core Java and what we are going to cover if we know core Java. And my next question is, what is WebDriver? If you know little bit Selenium, then my question is, because in interview they do not want to check how much you know Selenium. They want to know how much you are very good in Java concept. So tell me, what is WebDriver? Anyone? I hope I am audible now. And
Selenium WebDriver. I'm using Selenium WebDriver, sir.
so what is this? You are, you know, yes, Selenium WebDriver. Yeah, it is a part of Selenium. I am agree. But what is the expectation if I am asking what is WebDriver?
We can do cross-browser testing.
Okay, these all are the properties, features of WebDriver. So WebDriver, the forward answer is straightforward answer. It is an interface in Selenium API tool. You know, Selenium API tool. It is an interface in Selenium API tool because they wanted to check this guy is good in oops concept or not, and this terminology they want to know. Now you go to Google or anywhere you go, just go. Let me open now the Selenium website, selenium.dev. You everyone knows, right? Now see, if you'll go to Selenium with Java, the API docs, simply you go here, open this, open this, come down, come down. WebDriver might be here somewhere. Yeah, here WebDriver. See, WebDriver is a remote control interface, right? Might be, it is more technical, you may not understand, but if you click here, see what is this WebDriver? What is this? This is interface. Clearly it's written. It is an interface. And to launch your application in any one of the browser. So this Selenium people, they made all the browser as a browser class. These all are the classes which implements the interface. That's why we are able to use the whatever methods developed inside a web driver, we are able to use inside a Chrome driver or Edge driver or Firefox. And these all are the common methods. See, so one class can implement interface. So these all things comes from Java. These all oops concept. Like 4 lines I have just now told you. WebDriver is an interface. And these all browser classes are implementing that interface. If you are implementing something, then you can override or you can implement the methods of interface in your class. So these all statements belongs to Java Ops concept only. Here Selenium maximum 5 to 10% I talked about just by the name WebDriver. So this is what they are expecting technically. Are you getting? Yeah, this is very, very much important. How you answer. They will not expect like, okay, tell me the code, how to click on the elements, how to fetch a text from the, how to find title. These all are present. No need to worry. Then they want to the implementation. Yes, so are you agree on this or not? Tell me. Why core Java is very, very much important for Selenium or any automation tool, even rest assured also. Are you agree? Yes, guys. Yeah. So you should tell also. Now I am asking, what is Java? Now I am asking, what is Java? Yes, I have made it muted unintentionally, not any. So please tell me what is Java. Now the concept I am asking, what is Java? Yes. How?
Java is a platform independent language.
Okay, very good. One of the answer I got. Next, next, next. Please go ahead.
Yeah, join the session as your name, email ID. Shall I type it? Join the
Sorry.
session as uh, your
Uh-huh.
name, uh, email address, right?
Okay.
You already joined. Just put your name and join.
Okay, she's talking. Can you mute? Okay, fine. Others, can you tell me what is Java fast? Because we have last 15 minutes is very much exciting. Yeah.
Java is a high-level programming language.
Okay, very nice. Yes. Anyone more?
Java
Um,
is a programming language to tell the WebDriver or controller what exactly the user wants to do,
Okay, good.
like a way to.
Any- Yeah, yeah. Okay, next. I'm asking only Java. I'm not asking anything Selenium.
yeah. In my laptop, camera is also on, I think. Um, have have you connected? Uh, are you in live with the class, Ashish?
I'm Chandan. I am taking the class. Can you please tell me
Yes.
your name Srisa, right?
Um, they will share any materials like that, Ashish. Will they share any materials or recorded videos of this or 20 days sessions?
To
Give
whom
me a
you are
moment.
talking
I'll
to?
ask the instructor to talk to you.
Yeah, yeah, please. Please ask how to communicate with the instructor, Ashish.
I don't know to whom she
Please,
is talking.
please give me time.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Sorry, one of our participant is joined just now. So,
Oh,
as she was struggling with the joining link, so
okay.
please check with her.
Not an issue. So that's why I'm asking.
Sirisha, now you can talk to sir. So you are in the class only.
Srisha, last 2-3 minutes we will have, or 5 minutes we'll have a question answer session. You can ask how much question you have. Okay,
Oh,
Srisha.
yeah. Okay, sir.
We will answer you all the questions, and do not worry for the material or anything. First, we should understand the concept. Then material we can get it from Google also. We can read the tutorial. So many things, open source, thousands of materials are available, but still we are not confident. So please come. I will answer you all the questions, and whatever you need, we will provide also. Do not worry for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you will provide, sir. Whatever we need, you will provide, sir.
Yes, yes, every day on daily basis. We will not give in one shot everything, full course content.
Yeah.
Every day, how much we practice, every day we'll have interaction. You can ask the next batch, whoever is attending, from them also. Now they are very much comfortable. Just in 2 class, 3 class. So please do not be in hurry worry, and material will never go. We will do that. Fine. So guys, so Java is, as someone told, platform independent. Someone say Java is very secure language. Agreed. These all are the features of Java. These all are features of Java. But if you say someone told it's a high level programming language, yeah, agreed, 100%. But Java, you can say, I will say, it's a commercial language. It's a commercial language. If you want to earn more money, then you learn Java, core Java. Why? What is the reason? So see, in banking domain and all e-commerce domain, from beginning, this Java was very much used. What e-commerce domain, like let's say Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, what they do? They are earning money or not? A lot of money, correct? Your Android operating system, right? Applications based on Android, all commercial, banking domain. So if you want to get more money, then Java is very much important, right? Yes, you can say Java is a programming language. Programming language which is used to build an application. Now, features of Java. You see why it is, first of all, it is open source, free language. You don't have to pay money to develop anything, right? Second thing is it is platform independent. I am telling only 3 to 4 features, which is that is very much important. It is platform independent. Independent. And third one I am telling, it is very much secure language. It is very much secure language. Very much secure language. Very much secure language. Now, to understand this free open source you understood. What do you mean by platform independent and very much secure language? Can anyone tell me? These 2 points is very much important. In beginning, I told the importance of Java. What is the importance of Java? If we know core Java, then what are the tools we can cover? From interview point of view, what is the ask? What is the main agenda?
Java is an object-oriented programming language, you can say.
Yeah, it is object-oriented programming. 100% it is object-oriented programming. Even C++ is also object-oriented programming, right? Nowadays, TypeScript is also object-oriented. Python is both structural plus object-oriented, right? Yes, there is no doubt. Java is object-oriented, but I am asking What is the meaning of platform independent? What is the meaning of?
Because here,
Yeah.
yeah, because we have only two files get generated. The file which where one we used to do coding, that is the .java file, and another is when it get compiled, so .class file get generated. So it's OS independent. So that's why we say it platform independent.
So OS independent, correct. 100% perfect answer. But OS independent means what? Can you please elaborate? You know the answer. Just elaborate
Yeah,
yourself.
because in that JVM used to work, and with the help of JVM, it get a loader and those things. A couple of actions get happen. So a Java virtual machine comes into picture. So where we need not to worry that which OS it is. So it works on all OS. That is the another thing.
Okay, good, good. I'm happy that at least this much knowledge you have really good appreciated. But yes, see here, simple thing. Platform independent means, let's say I have written a program, Java program, let's say hello.java, I have written in my Windows machine. Let's say Windows, this is my Windows 10 or whatever. Now, same program you copy, the even .class file you simply copy and paste into your Linux machine or Mac operating system. This will get executed without any dependencies. So whatever program you are writing in one of the operating system will get executed in any one of the other operating system. That is called platform independent. I am not depending on any specific OS operating system. And if you have written a program in C++, hello.c, let's say this Java C program is there. If you have written a program on Windows, now you want to execute on Linux or Mac, then what you have to do, you have to download the extra compiler, extra software to execute this C program. It will not get executed in whatever you have written in Windows and executed. That will not get executed in Linux and Mac unless you download the dependent compiler for that operating system. So that's why Java is a platform independent language. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is the meaning of platform independent. Now, what do you mean by very much secure? How much time? So, guys, only 5 minutes, but I will take another 10 minutes. Is it okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Yeah. So, here, let's say you have written a program in C, and you have written a program in Java. So any program you write in C++, that will be saved as .c extension. So let's say I am writing one program hello.c in C++ with .c extension. In Java, any program will be saved with .java extension. Simple thing. So here hello.java. Okay. Now, fine. So, there are three layers of any one of these programming language in this world. We do have a three layers. You know what are the layers of programming language? Three layers of programming language. There are three layers. What are the three layers? First layer is high level language. And one more thing, guys, whoever is coming here for Java, just after 5 classes or 6 classes, you will able to write 20 to 30 lines of code independently. That is guarantee from my side. Commitment. Here anyway it's free. You can judge. But after 5 to 6 class only. And you should be very much patient for 5 classes. How much I will tell blindly you faith. And from 6th class, whatever you want, you do it. It's all on you. Okay, so that is guaranteed. Now, second one, high level language. Second one is mid level language. That is also called as a assembly level language. And third one is called a machine level language. Machine level language or low level language. Yes, low level language. Fine. So machine level language or low level language. So high level language, what do you mean? Whatever you are writing in English, it is simple English text. English text. That is high level language. Mid level language, once it will convert it into assembly level language like this instruction, register to register transfer internally, AHBS, like that. So whatever code you write, let's say I am just opening, where is that, let's say I'm writing here, let's say whatever code I am writing it here, can you read or not? This is in English language, can you read? Can you read or not? Tell me. Yeah, is it
Yes, sir.
Yes,
understandable or not? Right. So good. So that's why this is called high level language. Simple English text. And internally, this language get converted into assembly level language. Whatever you have written internally in your microcontroller, microprocessor, it gets converted into registers data. And finally, your computer, your laptop will understand your all this code not in English language. Once it gets converted finally in 0 or 1, then only he will understand your code. Machine CPU always understand our code in 0 or 1 language. Okay, so then only you are getting the output, not because you are writing an English text and you are getting the output. No, no, no. Your CPU is understanding this gets converted into low level language. He is only understanding this language 0 and 1 format, like that. That's it. So now, whatever program you write in C++, it must be compiled. It must be compiled. What is compiler? Compiler is used to check the syntactical error in the program. Means whatever program you have written, whether it is following the standard of that language or not. For that, we need compiler software. Okay, so this is my like here you see this is Java compiler, how it's working. Let's say I am removing semicolon here. See, it is throwing error. So this is the job of compiler. Means I have written wrong syntax, I have missed something. That is the job of compiler. So any program in this world must be compiled before execution. So whatever program you have written in C++, once it will get compiled, right, after compilation, what will happen? Once it's compiled, then it will get converted finally in mid-level language, and then it will get converted into low level, and then you will get the output. But here Java, whenever you will write a Java program in high level, this is your high level language. Here high level language, this is also high level language, right? So here, whatever program you have written after compilation, once the Java program is compiled, just I am telling you 1 minute, it will get converted into class file after compilation, this Java program, or it is also called as a bytecode. So whatever Java program you have written, all the classes used in the Java program will get converted into class file, and it is only executable, not understandable. It is executable, but not understandable. Means you cannot understand what is written, but you can execute, simply get the output. So let's say you have written 1,000 line of code in C++. Client is asking what you have written, then you must share the high level language source code. You have to share. They may get the logic, what they are developing. But Java, you don't have to share this English so that others will get to. Simply you share the dot class file, they will get to know. Oh, they will not get to know what logic they have written. Simply they will get to know what is the output of that. Means you simply have mango, don't count how many mangoes are present. Simply you have a test of mango, don't think how it's developed and all. Same way, Java, after compilation, this dot class file is executable. Okay, but you cannot understand what is the code behind this. So that's why it's very much secure language. Then it gets converted finally into low level language, machine level language, and then we get the output. But here, because of this reason, bytecode, this is very much successful and secure language. You can see it here also anywhere, like let's see, one second. Just I will show you, and I will just go for question and answer session. See here, let's say here, whatever Java program I write, let me go to desktop Java program folder. My another session is started already. Okay, here anything. Let's say I have written, this is my Java program. Return type, the Java name or method overloading. It's a Java file now, right? So if you open this, so see, these all are the class name, method overloading, right? Down if you go, let's say, yeah, class overload, two classes are there. So for these two classes, dot class file will generate method overloading, and one is overload. Can you see? Dot class file, this is class file. So if you'll open this, how much you can understand? Can you understand this? No, this is bytecode, but it is executable. If you will execute, simply write Java and this class name, it will get executed, you will get the output. So that's why it is very much secure language. That's why Java is more used in server side programming language. Is it clear? Hello, guys? Okay, might be they have left. Okay, fine. Now I told you because of this, so we will learn from scratch from tomorrow. Might be tomorrow, might be holiday because of 25th, but from 26th we will start this session. We will start from installation. In installation only we will face a lot of issues. After installing also we will not getting Java is really installed successfully or not, we are not able to execute the program, so we'll see all those errors and we'll try to fix that. So please join day after tomorrow, and we'll see if you are facing any issue, we will try to debug it, so it will help you in your career also. When you are stuck, your JVM is crashed or JRE is not working, these all things we'll see. What is JVM, what is JRE, what is JDK, we all difference will see, then download and install. Yeah, now come to question. Even I have to teach another 10 minutes, but come to question answer session, guys. My second batch is started. If you do have any question, please let me know.
Just one question from my side is like, suppose we have installed we have a Java 8, Java 11, Java 17, and Java 21 in our machine. So at the same time, using one editor, can we use different
Yes,
Java versions for
yes.
multiple?
We can have multiple version of Java installed in our one operating system. No doubt,
Okay.
we can
And
use.
how to, and no installation, we can have multiple version of Java, but can we create a different Java programs with different versions of
Yes,
Java?
yes, yes, yes,
And
yes.
how to do migration in that, means from
We
Java
can
8
do
to
that.
Java
We can
17.
do that. There is no doubt. We
So will
can.
you please help down the time, means in our classes, so
Yes,
that
we can help you. We can help you. There is no doubt. We can help you. But see here, you are asking, first of all, here we have to learn Java. Now, person will be struggling to install only one version. Now you are
yes,
going on
yes.
development side. I will help you. There is no doubt. But
Okay.
here, one version they should have, they should start learning Java. And here you're asking, sir, can we execute all the programs with different version compile? We can do that. We can migrate it. There is no doubt. But the question is, it is not compatible for or comfortable for everyone, right?
Okay.
Yeah, but I
And
will help you. You can stay after the call tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and we can help you. Like, how can we compile, execute with different versions? How can we so class path? How can we change at the same time for a specific time period? These all things will tell you if you want. Okay.
okay, sure, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And sir, one more thing is like how to enhance the debugging skills.
Yeah, we can enhance. See, now in debug in your Eclipse you have a debugging skill, you have a debugging tool, but
Yes.
here I will help you. We will start writing a programming notepad, so in command prompt whatever error we'll get, that is very much precise and elaborative. Oh, fine. So that will help you later to debug anything. Let's say 1,000 lines of code if you have a problem in one single line. So how
Mm.
much you have practiced in Notepad, and if you have seen the error in the command terminal, that will help you more. But once you will switch to the tool Eclipse and IntelliJ, they are having debugging tool itself. So we can go with F8, F9, F7, right? And we can see line by line what is the problem, how it's going. So we can enhance that debugging skill in that. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sure, sir.
Yeah. Others, please. Any question, guys?
Sir,
Anyone? Uh-huh.
sir, I have one question, sir. Sir, as Java is a programming language, so I have a doubt related to QA. I mean, I was
Uh-huh.
having concentration towards Selenium in future, right? So, in what way our syllabus is to be extended or limited towards Selenium or testing part for the as the course is very large and very prospective towards development side also, right? So in what way we need to have our boundaries to have this course?
Yes. So don't worry, even if you are a non-technical person who has never seen the programming world, you please be with me at least for 6 to 7 class. Okay. Yes. Please mute if you are talking anything others. Yeah. So just be with me 5 to 6 class. And even you are from non-technical, you have done BC, not BC also, simple BSc, you will able to write a code and execute it. And from QA point of view, you have to learn the oops concept. You don't have to learn advanced Java. Simply oops concept. That's it. And that will help you to design and develop a framework, and you can sustain and survive inside the automation framework project. And you can crack the interview very easily.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, do not worry for that. But for that, see, whether this fire will burn me or not, so you have to touch that fire little at least, correct? Or
It's a
the,
right.
yes, and the food stuff, whether it's tasty or how the taste comes, you have to test a bit, right?
Exactly.
Yes. So then only you will get to know. So please, I will tell. That's why it's free. You can judge me. And first of all, you will judge yourself after 5 to 6 class. You will not able to judge me. You will judge yourself after 5 to 6 class. Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah. Others, any question? Please ask.
Sir, I'm Sirisha.
Yeah, Srisa.
Uh, yes, sir. 5 to 6 class, in a sense, any class is there, sir? Repeated sessions of this.
No, no. We will do regular
Our
class
class is
only. No, 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 no. You didn't understand. Actually, we will do regular class only. Means after 5 or 6 class, you will get the confidence. How can we create the structure? 1 second. Yeah.
yeah.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, sir.
2 minutes. Question answer
Sir,
session.
what version have to we have to install? You will provide the software for installing and executing the Java program, sir. The .java extension.
Sorry, sorry.
Edit plus plus.
Yeah, edit plus notepad plus plus we can do, notepad E2 we can do, so many edit, whatever, any editor you can take, whatever comfortable for you.
Also
Uh-huh.
using.
Yeah,
Okay, sir, you
I
will
can.
provide some information regarding that, or we have to install that, sir,
No. By
in our.
default, it's there in your system. If you simply go to search bar and type NOTE, automatically it will come. Notepad will come.
Yeah, and what about the compiler, sir, for execution of the Java program?
That first we will install tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, we will install JDK Java, and we'll tell you the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVA. And then we'll
Yeah,
start writing first program, 2 lines of code, and how to compile
yeah,
Java, how to save Java, how to run Java, what will happen at runtime, what will happen at compile time. Everything I will tell you day after tomorrow.
yeah. Okay, thank you, sir.
Do not worry. Yes. Any question?
Sir, what is the duration of this course?
You see, it will minimum 20 hours. After learning Java, you can learn the tool within 10 to 15 days maximum. You want to become expert in Selenium tool with Cucumber BDD framework, hardly 10 to 15 days. But Java is main backbone.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Anyone?
Is
Please
that
ask.
is that free of cost, sir? After this Java 20 days course, we are having 10 to
Java
15
is
classes of
free.
Selenium.
Yes, Java we are providing free this time so that the people are suffering and everyone knows Java. I am shocked and no one is able to clear the interview and they are not able to sustain inside the automation project. So first you feel Java here, then you decide whether we should jump to Selenium. Who will come for Selenium enrollment? Here we are providing Java as a free.
Selenium enrollment is purely free or it's cost, sir?
Java is free for Selenium enrollment.
Okay, for Selenium is enroll, Java is free. That's it,
Or
sir.
for rest assured also who want to go for rest assured API automation, Java is free for rest assured. See, if you know Java, you can jump to any tool.
By
Okay.
paying. And
You can discuss with the management and because everything cannot be free, right? Like who
yeah,
will give it for
and
45 hours, 50 hours?
so what about this Java classes? Some recorded videos will be
Yeah, every
provided
day
every day.
classes will be, yes, every day classes will be recorded. It's same day, whatever I will teach, I will share the content with you. Same day. Okay.
Same
Do
day
not.
through WhatsApp, sir. Through
Not
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. In that video, the chat option is there, attachment option is there. There only will share. Okay.
Sir, you'll share the material. What are the class session is going on?
Yeah,
That
whatever.
recorded
So
one.
you copy and paste into your notepad in your local system and save it day one like that. Okay.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Others? Anyone having any questions? If you if you are okay, then fine. Otherwise, we'll wind up the session, guys. Another guys are waiting for me. So let's meet on 26th. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Please join, at least attend 5, 6.
Provide in WhatsApp group or any individual message.
Sorry. Please come again.
Sir, link provide in WhatsApp group or individual message.
No. WhatsApp group. This organization will keep on posting all the data, all the updates. You
Okay,
are
sir.
there in the WhatsApp group, they will keep on updating you. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anyone? Any question? If you do not have any questions, so shall I wind up the session? Yes. Okay. Let's meet day after tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
Bye all.